Welcome to Traders Lessons, where we simplify trading concepts for everyone. Today, we'll be discussing the Parabolic Sar indicator. The Parabolic Sar, short for stop and reverse, is a trend-following indicator that helps identify potential reversal points. It appears as dots above or below the price chart, indicating possible trend changes. When the dots are below the price, it suggests an uptrend, while dots above the price indicate a downtrend. The Parabolic Sar can be a valuable tool to determine when to enter or exit a trade. It's easy to integrate the Parabolic Sar into your trading strategy. When the price is below the dots, it's a good time to buy, and when the price is above, it's a signal to sell. One important thing to remember is that the Parabolic Sar works best in trending markets. However, in choppy or sideways markets, it may generate false signals. To maximize its effectiveness, it can be used in combination with other indicators or tools. Keep in mind that no indicator is foolproof and always consider other factors before making a trading decision.